Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from Etsy sales decline, full guide step by step clearly. Analyzing your Etsy shop's performance is the first step in recovering from a sales decline. Review your sales data over the past year to identify patterns and trends. Take note of any seasonal changes that may have impacted your sales. Evaluate your product listings to determine if any items are underperforming. Update your keywords and tags to reflect trending search terms. Enhance your product descriptions to provide more value and details to potential buyers. Consider improving your product photography to create more appealing visuals. Conduct competitor research to understand their pricing and marketing strategies. Evaluate your shop's overall branding and consider making adjustments if necessary. Utilize Etsy's promotional tools to run targeted ads or discounts for specific products. Engage with your audience through social media to create buzz around your shop. Gather customer feedback and reviews to identify areas for improvement. Reach out to previous customers with personalized messages to encourage repeat purchases. Explore new markets or niches that align with your existing products. Experiment with new product lines based on current trends and customer interests. Attend local craft fairs or markets to showcase your products in person. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers to reach a wider audience. Keep an eye on Etsy's updates and policies, as they can impact your sales strategy. Set realistic sales goals and create a plan to achieve them over the next quarter. Measure your progress regularly to see if the implemented strategies are working. Adjust your tactics as necessary based on the performance metrics you gather. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.